will say that this is a hopeless case, and so do I. However, this patient, around 35 years old, came to me from another country. He was desperate to get a hair transplant done. He had already received a hair transplant in Delhi some years back and was not happy that the coverage wasn't enough. You can see the coverage was only in the mid-scalp area. They had given him a very high hairline. So the patient said, this hair transplant is not worth it because unless I can get a head full of hair, a hair transplant doesn't mean anything to me. I tried to discourage him from a hair transplant, telling him that with the meager donor supply, fully miniaturized scalp donor like his, a hopeless scalp donor, he cannot expect a miracle. But due to his persistence and his insisting that he will follow all treatment, and that if with the meager donor supply, the result was not optimal, he would not hesitate to keep the hair trimmed and get an SMP done to give an illusion of fullness with a bald head. So I proceeded to do his hair transplant, which lasted 3 days. I harvested some hair from his anterior parietal area, a lot of hair from the upper neck, from his beard, and hair from his chest and his trunk. And on the last day yesterday, I even explored harvesting from the pubic area. regions, all 6 regions, the scalp, the upper neck, the beard, the chest, the belly, and the pubic areas from where the grafts were harvested over a 3-day session. And now you can see that on the 4th day after we started the first session, his wounds are very well healed. He's ready to go home to his place, Bangladesh. The patient did not have any diabetes. He did not have any heart problem. The patient tolerated anesthesia very well. And now we await the result in 6 months' time. And let's see how the result pans out. And I'll post the follow-up pictures or perhaps a follow-up video after 6 to 8 months. So you can see the harvesting areas over the scalp, over the beard, the neck, the chest, the belly, and the pubic area have healed so very well. So this brings us to body hair transplants. So what are the best hair for body hair? And can you do a body hair transplant in isolation? The best body hair to my mind is from the beard. The hair grows very quickly. It is thick and robust hair, and like all other body hair is not affected by DHT. So with body hair, you do not need to be on finasteride. And this is because of the DHT paradox, where though DHT in male pattern baldness causes baldness over the head, it causes even the donor area at times to wither away, like in this patient. But the body hair survives, rather thrives in the presence of high DHT in a setting of baldness. So after beard hair, the next hair that I prefer is chest, because we can get up to 1,000 grafts from the chest. Between the breast mounts, 1,000 grafts in people who are well endowed with hair, and then the belly. Most important to remember here is that the belly hair only within 6 inches of the midline are of use. Hair which are on the flanks are very thin, and their angulation to the body is such that there is a lot of difficulty in harvesting them in one piece. And then we go to pubic hair. Pubic hair are thick hair, just like beard hair. The only problem with pubic hair and hair in the body, other parts of the body, is that they curl. Their characteristic otherwise is not similar to scalp hair. Because the characteristic is not similar to scalp hair, body hair in isolation to cover large areas is often scoffed upon for a reason. Body hair look unnatural when not mixed with scalp hair with a minimum ratio 1:4. The advantage of body hair is in cases like this, patients who have realistic expectations, who know that they cannot by any means cover the head and wear long hair, and who are open to getting a scalp micropigmentation done and keeping the hair trimmed short. Beard hair in large numbers is meant for those patients in cases of diffuse pattern alopecia, in cases of diffuse unpatterned alopecia, and also in cases in which scalp hair have already been harvested. So this is about body hair transplant. Extreme hair transplants. In hair transplants where large number of grafts are used using body hair. So if you have any question about body hair, any question about hair transplant, hair loss in general, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Like always, I'll reply back in 2 days. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do, and give my channel your kind support. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.